Easy 2 Lotto, and Suetras Lotto. At sa Pari Mutual Games, 4-digit Mega Lotto 645 and the Grand Lotto 655. Pakikilala natin ang mga kasama kong maghahatid ng swerte. Good evening sa ating panel of judges led by our chairperson, Miss Leonila Maico. Also here with us are the representatives from PCSO and the Commission on Audit, and of course to assist us with our draws is our PCSO Draw Coordinator. Good evening po. Bago ang live lotto draw kaganapan sa free draw procedures kanina, silipin po muna natin. Sa gaganaping live draws, siniguro ng ating panel of judges and representatives from PCSO and Commission on Audit na maayos ang kondisyon ng draw machines na gagamitin. Only the operation of the remote switch button ang may human intervention. Sa random selection of draw balls, 3 sets ang pinagpipilian for each game. All balls in all sets have almost exactly the same weight. Lahat po ng bola ay tinimbang at covered po ito ng video. Tapos masiguro na ito ay kumpleto, ang chairperson lamang ang makakapag-load ng draw balls na gagamitin sa mga draws. Pilipinas, simulan na natin ang pamimigay ng multimilyon premyo. Let's play Grand Lotto 655 game. Tonight's Grand Lotto jackpot prize, 32,092,096 pesos. Miss Maico, ma'am, please press that button and let's play Grand Lotto 655. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Lotto players, narito na pong inabang ang Grand Lotto draw. Kompleto ang 55 draw balls sa loob ng ating draw machine numbered 1 to 55. 6 na bola po ang ating hinihintay na piliin. Mag-isa pong pumipili ang ating draw machines. No human intervention. First number, 53. Sa mga first-time players, ang Grand Lotto Pari Mutual Game. Kung isa lang ang jackpot winner, solo niya ang jackpot. Kung dalawa o higit pa, hati po sila equally. Second number is 33. Exciting din po ang consolation prizes. Pwedeng manalo mula 20 pesos at maaaring umabot ng 200,000 pesos. Third number, 11. Tax paid po ang papremyo ng Lotto. Ibig sabihin walang kahit anong kaltas at dapat buo niyong makuha ang amount ng inyong premyo. Fourth number is 21. Para siguradong kasali at may chance manalo, araw-araw ugaling bumili ng Lotto tickets sa mga authorized Lotto outlets. Fifth number, 49. Isang number na lang po ang hinihintay nating piliin ng ating draw machine. Good luck po, Grand Lotto 655 players. And the sixth and final number is 41. Recapping tonight's official Grand Lotto 655 winning numbers in any order: 53, 33, 11, 21, 49, and 41, with a jackpot prize of 32,092,096 pesos. Tuloy-tuloy tayo sa Mega Million Premyo ng Pari Mutual Mega Lotto 645 game. Tonight's Mega Lotto jackpot prize, 9 million pesos. Once again, Miss Maico, ma'am, please press that button and let's play Mega Lotto 645. Maraming salamat po muli sa ating chairperson at sa members ng ating panel of judges sa paglalaan po ng oras para makasama natin maghatid ng swerte. This time, 45 balls ang laman ng Mega Gem. 6 na bola pa rin po ang ating hinihintay na piliin ito. First number is 32. Gaya po ng Grand Lotto, ang Mega Lotto Pari Mutual Game. Kung sakaling dalawa o higit pa ang jackpot winners, hahatiin po ng pantay ang jackpot sa bilang ng jackpot winners. Second number is 14. Ang mga consolation prizes, Pari Mutual din po. Para po sa iba pa ninyong katanungan sa paglalaro ng Lotto Games, pwede kayo magtanong sa ating mga Lotto tellers. And the third number is 30. Ingatan po mabuti ang inyong Lotto tickets. Huwag itutupi, lulukutin, babasahin o paplansyahin. Masisira po ang tickets pag nabasa o nainitan. And the fourth number is 21. Paalala, 18 years old and above lang ang pwede maglaro ng kahit anong PCSO game. Kaya huwag na pong iutos sa mga bata ang pagbili ng Lotto tickets. Our fifth number is the number 7. One more lucky number to win tonight's Mega Lotto jackpot prize. Ikaw na kaya ang susunod na magiging mega milyonaryo. Good luck po. Mega Lotto 645 players and the 6th and final number is 1. Philippines, here are the official Mega Lotto 645 winning numbers in any order. 32, 14, 30, 21, 7, and 1 with a jackpot prize of 9 million pesos. Ihanda na po ang mga digit tickets. Sa aming pagbabalik, ihahatid na namin ang exciting prizes ng mga digit games.
Calling all fundraising organizations. Get the chance to raise more than 1.2 million pesos for your charity projects. Be a partner of PCSO in its mini sweepstakes special draws. The PCSO is opening its doors to all non-profit organizations, local government units, cooperatives, social civic groups, and associations to its newest project, PCSO Partner Tayo. Interested parties may visit the PCSO Product and Standard Development Department, 3rd floor, Conservatory Building, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. You may also visit any of our branches in your vicinity or province or email us at pcso_marketing@yahoo.com. Partner tayo sa pagtulong sa Pilipino. Nakakatulong ka na, umaasenso ka pa.
Patuloy po ang aming paanyaya. Kung kayo po ay may mga charitable projects, pwede nyo po maging kapartner ang PCSO sa sweepstakes draw para sa inyong mga fundraising projects. Maganda po ang mga incentives na naghihintay para sa inyong organization. For more info, you may call the PCSO Product and Standard Development Department at telephone number 846-8764. Another important announcement, PCSO is now accepting applicants for PCSO Small Town Lottery operations. Interested parties may submit their applications to the STL Supervision and Monitoring Group, Office of the Assistant General Manager for Branch Operations Sector, located at the 3rd floor of the Sun Plaza Building, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. Deadline of submission of applications is on October 31, 2016. Game time na para sa digit pa premyo sa 4 na numero ng Parimutuel 4-digit game. Sa mga ngayon lang nag-tune in, hawakan na po ang mga 4-digit tickets. This game is also a Parimutuel game. Ang first prize pool amount hinahati equally kapag dalawa o higit pa ang first prize winners. At kung sakaling maraming manalo ng first prize, hindi bababa naman ng 10,000 pesos ang premyong mapapanalunan ng bawat first prize winner. There you go. Nakapili na po ang ating machines ng winning combination and the first digit is 7. Second digit, we have number 9. The third digit is number 9. And finally, the fourth digit is the number 8. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, tonight's 4-digit winning combination, 7, 9, 9, and 8 in exact order. Alamin naman natin kung maswerte ang 3 numbers po ninyo ngayong gabi. Let's play Suertes Lotto! Nasa Suertes Lotto game na po tayo at enjoy na enjoy po ang mga Lotto players natin, lalo na dyan sa Visayas at Mindanao. Same game mechanics sa ating morning and afternoon draws. Matching the 3-digit winning combination in exact order wins you the fixed prize of 4,500 pesos. At sa mga bumili ng tickets using the Rambolito System Play, maaari kayo manalo ng 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos. Narito na po ang ating winning combination. The first digit is a 0. Second digit, another 0. And finally, the third digit is the number 1. Double check your tickets. Tonight's Suertes Lotto winning combination. 0, 0, and 1 in exact order. Para sa huling game natin ngayong gabi, lucky 2 numbers ng Easy 2 Lotto. Napakarami pong nag-enjoy sa game na ito dahil ang dali-dali lang po maglaro at manalo. 2 numbers from 1 to 31 lang ang kailangan. Pag nag-match po ang numbers ninyo sa Easy2 Lotto winning numbers in exact order, fixed prize na 4,000 pesos ang premyo. At 2,000 pesos po ang panalo ninyo kung kayo ay nanalo via the Rambolito System Play. Kapili na po ang ating machines ng winning numbers and the first number is 26. Second number, we have 25. Recapping tonight's Easy2 Lotto winning numbers, we have 26 and 25 in exact order. Congratulations po sa mga winners natin ngayong gabi at sa mga bumili ng tickets at nag-aabang ng resulta ng PCSO Morning and Afternoon Lotto Draws kanina. Narito po ang mga winning numbers.
The 11 a.m. draw results para sa Easy2 Lotto. The winning numbers are 4 and 20 in exact order. Sa Sweaters Lotto, ang winning combination 2, 3, and 8 in exact order. And for the 4 p.m. draw results, sa Easy2 Lotto, we have 2 and 15 in exact order. At para sa Sweaters Lotto, ang winning combination 1, 1, and 0, also in exact order. Kung isa ka sa maswerteng Lotto winners, easy-easy lang mag-claim ng premyo. Isulat ang pangalan at pirmahan ang likod ng winning ticket. Kung nanalo ng 20 pesos hanggang 5,000 pesos, maaaring i-claim ang premyo sa mga authorized Lotto outlets. Sa mga winners ng mahigit sa 5,000 pesos maliban sa jackpot, pumunta sa pinakamalapit na PCSO branch sa inyong lugar o sa PCSO main office at magdala ng 2 valid IDs. At kung jackpot winner ka, dalhin ang winning ticket at 2 valid IDs, i-claim ang inyong premyo sa PCSO main office.
Para naman po sa ating late tuners, ulitin natin ang mga winning numbers natin tonight. Starting off with the Easy2 Lotto winning numbers. We have 26 and 25 in exact order. Para sa Sweaters Lotto, ang winning combination 0, 0, and 1 in exact order. Sa 4-digit game, we have 7, 9, 9, and 8 in exact order. Sa Mega Lotto 645 in any order, ang winning numbers po 32, 14, 30, 21, 7, and 1. In any order with a jackpot prize of 9 million pesos. Finally, sa Grand Lotto 655, in any order, the winning numbers are 53, 33, 11, 21, 49, and 41 with a jackpot prize of 32,092,096 pesos. Ang tanong, may jackpot winner ba tayo tonight? Ang kasagutan, dala po ng ating data security representative. Thank you. According to the data center, wala po tayong jackpot winner for the Grand Lotto 655. Ganon din po para sa Mega Lotto 645. No jackpot winner. That's all for tonight. Para po sa PCSO, ako si Eric Imson. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you.